Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for your home decor. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet home decor ideas. First of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. The first and the main point is crochet throw blanket, a cozy and stylish addition to your sofa or bed. Crochet pillows. Decorative pillows with crochet pattern like flower, heart or geometric shapes. Crochet wall hanging. Boho style crochet wall art that add texture and color to your walls. Crochet rugs. Large area rugs or smaller accents rugs made from thick yarn. Perfect for any room. Crochet plant hanger. Stylish holder for your indoor plants that add greenery to your space. Crochet baskets. Storage baskets made with sturdy yarn to organize toys, laundry, or other essentials. Crochet coasters. Functional and decorative coasters in various shapes and colors. Crochet curtain. Lightweight, airy crochet curtain that let in the perfect amount of sunlight. Crochet tablecloth or runner. Beautifully intricate crochet table runner or full tablecloths for dining areas. Crochet picture frame. Personalize your photo frame with crochet trim for the charming look. Crochet lampshade cover, a unique way to add texture and light to your lamp with crochet. Crochet dollies, timeless decorative pieces that can be placed on table, trays or shelves. Crochet coffee cup shelf, a cute and practical way to keep your coffee warm while adding personality. Crochet drawer pulls. Custom crochet covers, knobs or handles for a unique touch on cabinet and dressers. Crochet clock cover. Add a personal touch to a wall clock with a crochet cover or border. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet throw blanket with pockets. A cozy blanket with pocket for your remote, book or phone. Crochet napkin ring. Elegant and creative napkin ring made with crochet, perfect for special occasion. Crochet tea cozy. Keep your teapot warm in a crocheted cozy with intricate patterns or motifs. Crochet floor proof. A soft stud crochet pouch to add extra seating and comfort to your living space. Crochet chair cushions. Comfortable and decorative cushions for dining chair and lounge chairs. Crochet wall basket. Crochet baskets that can hang on your wall to store small items or decor. Crochet doormat. A welcoming crochet doormat with a fun or inspirational message. Crochet Soap Saver, a functional and eco-friendly soap saver pouch that can also serve as a decorative item. Crochet Garland, creative and festive mood with a beautiful crochet garland perfect for the holidays or any time of year. These crochet home decor ideas can bring warmth, texture, and a personal touch to any room, whether you are looking to make something functional or decorative. These projects will add charm to your living spaces. Thank you very much for watching our videos.